Hey y'all, Shayla here again. As you can see, it is snowing like crazy out here. I didn't know it was supposed to snow today. I knew it was going to be really cold, but I had no idea that it was supposed to snow. And I absolutely hate the snow and the cold. I mean, it's pretty to look at, but it's miserable when you got to feed all these animals. So got these blankets. I just freshly washed them and I'm taking them out here to the puppy pen. It's probably a mess out there. I'm not gonna even bother spraying the kennel down. It's I think the last temperature that we read was 30 degrees, but the wind chill, the wind's blowing pretty good right now, and it's a lot colder than 30 degrees. So we just went and picked 2 more bales of hay. Got that out there. The cows were munching on that. Got some grains and corn this morning. We picked up, that's the other bale, and then that big square bale is alfalfa to help fatten up Dozer. So the goats and the cows are taken care of. They've got shelter and everything. Little Rip. Rip, what you doing, bud? You ever seen snow before? You look cold. Hey Rip, are you cold? Anyway, so it snows a couple times every year. This is now January 15th, I think. I didn't keep it up. I need a new calendar. January 15th, and this is our first snow of the year, it's a little odd. Normally it snows a lot earlier than this, but anyway, yeah, you can see it's snowing pretty good here. My parents live up in Missouri, and their entire ground, their vehicles and porch and everything's already completely white. And she sent me a picture of that a few hours ago. Said it's not supposed to stop till 6 o'clock, and it's only about 2:20 right now. So, yep. I guess we'll be getting a decent layer of snow. Kids were pretty excited, ran outside, but they didn't last very long because it's pretty cold, and they just got them cotton gloves. So, yeah, I'm gonna go. The pups have a heater and a heat lamp in the shed, but I'm gonna give them that FRP's a little cold laying on it, so I'm gonna give them some blankets to lay on. It was warm the last few days, so they didn't need them, but I'm gonna go give this to them, and then I gotta go give the chickens some fresh water and food. Woo, it's coming down hard. There's some big flakes. Cold outside. Hey, I'm coming right back. Hey, Boris, get you some water. Ow. one's frozen. So, as you guys saw earlier, as I was filling these bottles up, I did not, hang on, I gotta get a couple of these on there. Okay, so I did not actually fill them all the way up, and as you saw, that one bottle that I had was totally frozen. And so I only fill them about a third to halfway, that way. If they do freeze, they're easier to thaw out. They usually don't drink a whole lot of water when it's cold. Some of these I filled up a little more than others because, like this one, I have multiple rabbits in, and then the one down on the end I have multiple rabbits in. So they get a little more, but usually I don't fill them all the way up. It takes a lot longer to thaw out and get them full, but that one, it's got 2 rabbits in there. I didn't quite mean to fill it up that much, but that'll be all right. And I got one more over here hiding in his box. These rabbits love the cold. They're usually out frolicking around when it gets cold like this. The shop here, they're up against the shop wall, and that really blocks the wind. So, and then they have the boxes, and we don't have any hay in here right now, but we'll put some hay in here shortly. And before, they did have hay in here. It's all underneath, as you can see, but yeah, we'll get some hay out here for them to sleep tonight, and they should be good. As long as, really the biggest deal with all the animals is that they are out of the wind. They are meant to be outside. They have fur. That's the way God created them. I am here in my Carhartt, and I got these Bernie coveralls, and I am completely warm right now. The only thing that's cold is my face. So you guys got to remember that if you have animals, if you can take them in the house, that's great. But I can't bring my cows in. And I like them just as much as I like my dogs. So as long as they have a place to get out of the wind, and they have fresh food and water, then the animals, they can survive. They're fine. They have a thicker skin. They have fur. The labs have undercoats. As you can see, Barley behind me is just laying out in the snow chewing on an antler. So you know, Mabel gets a little more cold than he does. She's hiding in a box, but for the most part, I mean, they're all out running. They have that box, they can all fit in there, and when they all get in there, it's nice and warm because they're all tight in there. And then the chickens are out of the wind, and the cows have a windbreak, and the goats and everything. So, and guys, you also got to remember that their body temperature is, you know, 4 or 5 degrees higher than ours. They have a higher body temperature, and they have thicker skin, and they have fur. So they're not as cold as you think they are. I mean, obviously they're probably a little chilly. but definitely not as cold as a lot of people like to think they are. I mean, I could stand here if I had some gloves on. I could stand here all day in this weather and in just a Carhartt, and I don't even have any thermals on underneath. It's just regular clothes in my Carhartt, and I'm perfectly warm like that. So if you are planning on getting animals, but that's one of your concerns, just remember that God built them to live outside. He already knew that they were going to live outside, and that's the way He built them. Just keeping them dry, giving them, well, heck, our dogs just run around in the winter. They love the snow, but just as long as they have a wall up and the wind's off of them, you know, and they can get somewhere dry, put some hay down, they really don't mind the cold weather. And as long as you feed them real good so they have enough energy to keep their body warm, they'll be fine. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you a little bit of our winter routine. Thank God it has been warm up until now. We've had a couple colder days, but today's pretty cold. Excuse me, my nose runs so bad when it gets cold. But anyway, I'm really thankful that we haven't had very many cold days, because I hate feeding animals when it's this cold. My hands freeze to death, and I don't like wearing gloves because I can't feel anything, or when I'm getting water out, they end up getting wet anyway. So I just prefer to hurry. I need to look for a good pair of gloves that aren't super thick but keep the wind off my hands. Another thing that we always have to do in the winter, which everybody has to do, we have well water here. Dakota put this little ball valve in to turn off that faucet that goes outside, so as you can hear it running, I leave it running, so when I turn this off, the rest of it will run out on the ground and won't stay in the pipe. So everybody has to cover their faucets, of course, and let their water drip, but that's part of my routine. And then we have this heater in here just to keep it warm in here, warm enough that the pipes won't freeze. Are you cold?
Yeah.
You ready to go back in?
Yeah.
This wind is killer, huh? It's not fun with the wind blowing so hard. Are you ready to go back inside, Hux? You look freezing. We've been out here all of 4.5 minutes.
And there's no one I can't go into my face.
I know. How about we go inside and take a nice warm bath now and go bowling? Y'all ready to go bowling?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go take a bath and go bowling. I know. The wind is miserable. All right, say bye.
Bye.
You guys feel better now?
Yeah.
You comfortable?
Yeah.
I think Levi's comfortable over there with the jacuzzi on his neck. Huh?
Yeah.
You feel good?
Yeah. My chin.
The bubbles are on your chin? Rylan, turn the water off.
Yeah, it's gonna overflow.
You guys look comfy and warm now.
I think the bubbles might blow up.
You guys take you a nice warm bath and then we'll go bowling, alright?
Yeah.
Who's the best bowler?
I think Dad, because last time
Who won last time?
I think I.
Mommy won. But I got lucky that time.
I could go them down.
You did, and you're gonna do good tonight, right?
I won the first time.
You did win the first time because you're pretty good at bowling.
That's mine, Cody.
Oops. Who has to play by?
I got second. Mama and good enough. Should have angled this a little bit so that she could see it. Huh?
You missed
All
it.
right, Mom's turn.
Okay, I know. Go, Huxton.
Huxton, come on.
Good job. Nope. Okay, yeah, it is your turn. Sorry. Come on, Bubs. Gotta hit it hard, okay? Good job, buddy. Daddy's came back. All right, let's see. This one's like skee ball. See that?
You have to go up the ramp and then into
Can't see the holes,
It's
but
actually 3 balls.
I know.
Just like skee ball.
Fun little glow-in-the-dark putt-putt course. Did you guys have fun, Rylan?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
How about you, Hux? Did you have fun golfing? Putt-putt? Levi, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Do you like putt-putt or bowling better? You like putt-putt? Uh-oh. Sounds like putt-putt might be the winner. Next time we're going to have to try out laser tag, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Good job, guys.
Hang on, Hux.
That was a good
Yeah.